Singapore, from Mumbai airport to Singapore Jewel Changi airport. So it took 25 minutes from South Mumbai to International Airport of Mumbai, and it took 25 minutes. So that takes a little time. So if you want, you can leave like 3 hours before your flight. That's the best time to leave, 3 hours before your flight. So here is the CSMIA Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Yes, it's a big mouthful. So for those who haven't seen the airport, this is the food court. And there are also 6 layers of security. The first layer, you have to give your passport at the outside of the airport. The second layer, you have to give your suitcases, and they once again have to check your passport and boarding pass. Third, you have to get through another one of those weird doors which apparently gets stuck on you, but there are lots of police officers there to help, so it's pretty safe. The fourth layer of security is cabin baggage. You have to put the baggage of your cabin through the trays, you can call it trays, and they go through the X-ray. The fifth layer is yet again another one of those open closed door contraptions where you have to scan your boarding pass. And the sixth and final layer is immigration. Immigration is where they check your details, they check your facial expressions and your face about how your passport is, and if it's matching your current details. So I'll share more about Singapore in the other parts of the video, and I'll show you more about the plane later. See ya. Now I'm in the plane and I'm about to land in Singapore Jewel Changi Airport. Singapore Jewel Changi Airport is the official best airport in the entire world. And I'm also in Singapore Airlines, whose plane is the best in Asia. And they got an award for best cabin crew in 2025. So I had eaten a children's meal, and the meal was, oh my goodness, it was like a master chef had cooked for me. So they cooked pasta, a black forest cake, they had got some fruit, a drink, some juice and chips. It was absolutely delicious. I destroyed the meal. So I'm about to land, and here's another tip. Singapore's time is 2.5 hours ahead of Mumbai. So if it is 5 o'clock in Mumbai, it will be 7:30 in Singapore. So I'll meet you in Jewel Changi Airport, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And so we have reached the Jewel Changi Airport of Singapore. Now this is the best airport in the world. It's like a mall, but 500 times bigger, and it's one of the most wondrous, adventurous, and more of that exploring type. So this is a big location for tourists to come, look around, have some coffee around here, have some chocolates, just enjoy the peace. Just enjoy the vibe. It is absolutely beautiful. I have literally just entered out of my terminal, and oh my goodness, I have already started crying. Also, it took 5.5 hours, from 4.5 hours to 5.5 hours was our flight duration. So while we were in the flight, it was a good experience, yes, but just the only thing I didn't like was the seats were a little crammed in, or else it was great. Everything is great here. I have only just entered Singapore, and I'm like, oh, this is great, that's great, oh my god, that's great. So I'll see you in the hotel. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to be going in a train from Orchard to Gardens by the Bay. It's not a direct train. I will be stopping at one point and then taking a taxi, and I will be going to the beautiful Flower Dome, and it might not be good, so we might skip it, and we will be going to Cloud Forest. I hope you enjoyed day 1's video.